Hi, this is what we call an autograph. This is where we plot curves and graphs. Today I am going to be showing you how to transform graphs like quadratic graphs and some trigonometric graphs. We call this kind of transformation that I'm going to be showing you today as translation. So first we're going to type in the equation. In this case we have the quadratic graph. So the plotter will plot the graph for you. So that's the red one. That's the quadratic graph. Now we're going to transform it by typing the equation again and adding a constant to it, or a number. The number could be anything, but today I'm going to be showing you how to transform it using 2 units. So if we add 2, the graph will be moved 2 units up, as you can see here. Now let us see what happens if we add a negative number. So we're going to subtract 2 from it. That means we're going to be moving the graph 2 units, and this is going to be down as it is minus. So as you can see here, the graph has been moved 2 units down. So this time we're going to be using trigonometric graphs. So we'll see how the movements will be using the sine graph this time. So on your equation box, we're going to type in y is equal to sine x, and the autograph will plot the graph for us. Now on our equation box, to type in, click on the equation, we're going to add a number or any constant to your trigonometric function and see how it moves. In this case, we're going to be using 2 for the whole of this video and compare the movements. So y is equal to sine x plus 2, and we're going to click on OK and see the movements. As you can see, the graph has moved from 0 on the y-axis to 2 because it says plus 2, so move 2 units up. The whole graph has been moved 2 units upwards. So what happens instead of adding 2, we're going to subtract 2. So we have y is equal to sine x minus 2 and see how it moves. So just like our quadratic graph, we'll expect it to move down. So that's 2 units downwards against your y-axis. So this is the original equation, the sine graph. You have the red graph, and it has moved 2 units up if you add 2, and 2 units down if you subtract 2 from it. So let's try using the cosine graph. So on your equation box, you type in y is equal to cos x. Cos is short for cosine, and the autograph will plot the cosine graph for us. Now we're going to add 2 to the equation, and as in the previous graphs we've had, we'll expect it to go 2 units up if we add 2 to it. So click on OK, and there's your graph. So it has moved 2 units upwards. So we'll just make it smaller so we can see the whole graph. And there, it's moved completely 2 units upwards. So now we're going to subtract 2 units from cos x, and just like the previous graphs, it should move 2 units down, and there it goes. Yeah, everything moved 2 units downwards. And that is all for our transformation using translation of our graphs.